such a long time. Welcome back to our channel.
I hope you guys miss us. We're the Yusufs. I'm Nunai.
And I'm Mustaha.
And we make videos about fashion, lifestyle, all that good stuff. So
yes.
If you're into that, definitely subscribe.
Definitely
Stick
subscribe.
around.
Yes. And make sure you hit the notification bell and all that good stuff. Today we're coming at you with
a collective haul because we've kind of been shopping and collecting things, and we haven't mentioned it for like the longest time.
We've been shopping and not sharing.
Yeah, a lot of the things are new, but some of them we've already worn
on Instagram. If you follow us on Instagram, you might have seen some of these things. But if you haven't, then here you go today.
Yeah, so let's get right into it, sweeties.
Okay, so first things first, we're gonna start with shoes and handbags. We've got some really exciting pieces. As a matter of fact, I think we actually want to do a video dedicated to our fall shoes, because I think we've gotten so many great fall shoes lately.
We have a really good shoe collection that we would love to share with you guys.
Yeah, but just for today, we're gonna share a few of them. For me, I have gotten these amazing Prada boots. I think I like talked them into existence because I mentioned them so many times in past videos, and I finally ended up getting them. I'm really excited about them.
She wears them literally every day.
Yeah, I've worn them. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen them. I'm really excited about these. I just feel like they're gonna go with everything.
And then we have some very beautiful fall boots. These are like a faux croc, very bright, what is this, like a magenta color, and it's by Edelman.
What is fall without boots?
Yeah, without like tall boots. These are really beautiful. I just love like the quality of them, and they're actually surprisingly really comfortable too,
and affordable.
Yeah. We also got them in like a more neutral color, more of like a faux python. Is this python?
Love this.
Yeah, it's like a faux python material, and also really comfortable and like very flattering. And I love that these are more, the ankle
slouchy,
like more slouchy, and like
I like that it's not that high, so you can like wear it every day and not feel like you're gonna die on the streets.
Yes, absolutely.
If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen this. I got another Chanel bag. Woo!
This is stunning, okay?
Yeah.
This is like a collector's dream.
Right. It has like nothing on it, no scratches.
It's very terrifying to wear.
Yeah, because it's like
a white Chanel bag. Like,
it's a white denim Chanel bag, so I try really hard to make sure that I wear it only in like safe spaces, which is very unlike me because I like wear everything to death. It has like these beautiful floral, like painted on print. It's really beautiful. It's new. I did buy it pre-owned, and I bought it from the local store that we always work with called Store 5A. So I feel like I'm probably one of their best customers because I see everything first and I just buy it.
Yeah. Moving on to outerwear. So the next thing is this stunning coat. It's by the brand Smythe. It's a Canadian brand. Oh, it's so heavy, but that just means it's gonna just like keep you so warm in the winter. It's like a nice plaid. What is this, like a bluish grayish color on like a camel color?
Yeah,
very beautiful.
79% wool. It's really good quality. Oh, sweetie,
my hair. It's like a really long coat, like ankle length, and we both got one.
Yay! So excited.
We're gonna be twinsies in it. Twinning.
So the next item is this shacket,
which is super on trend right now.
Shackets are all the rage lately. But yeah, we got this amazing one from H&M. I posted about it on Instagram stories the other day, and like everybody was like, where? And I tried to find the link and I can't find it. It was like, I don't know if they haven't put it up.
H&M plays games sometimes.
Or I don't know what's happening, but I'm gonna try to find the link for this, but we haven't even worn it yet. It's pretty incredible. It's like a Sherpa. It's Sherpa, and it's lined with like suede. And it's so heavy, but it's a really substantial piece and I love it.
And it's so affordable. It's only $79.99.
Speaking of shackets,
we have another one. This one is like a wool. I doubt it's wool.
Tweed,
yes. Yeah, so it's like a nice tweed shacket. It goes right below your knees. It's like a really good length, and I just feel like it's like oversized, so you could just like layer everything underneath and it'll keep you warm.
Yeah. Okay, and
speaking of more
shackets, This one hasn't even been worn yet, but it's another shacket from H&M. And this one is super affordable. It's $59.99. We got it in the large. It's really cute. I think it's just one of those ones that you just throw on when you're going to the grocery store. I like the print. This flannel look is really cute.
Yeah.
Super laid back.
I think the whole idea of shackets is like to just very oversized. So we already love that silhouette anyway. So we just usually get our coats in like a large or extra large even. So yeah. We also got this nice coat. It's like a nice like teddy coat from Anthropologie, and the brand is DRA Los Angeles.
You know we love animal print, so
yeah, it's like a
nice cute one.
Animal print is a neutral, by the way.
And then this is also from Anthropologie. It's basically a jumpsuit.
Yeah.
So what I love about it the most is that it's just very like
wide leg.
Yeah, it's not the typical jumpsuit that's like narrow leg, and I just like that this one is very like loose.
And it comes with
and
like
it comes with
really
its
cool
own little belt that's like a belt bag. You can either wear it across the chest or on your waist and cinch your waist in. Next is something leather.
Yeah, so just simple leather trousers. These are so
joggers.
soft.
Leather joggers.
Yeah, leather joggers. These are like super soft.
If you're into all of the loungewear lately.
Yeah, but you still want to kind of look a little more presentable, then you can opt for like a leather version.
Yes. Next item is this. You know, the shoulder padded t-shirts are still going strong, so we got this one from Anthropologie. It's a striped one,
and it's knit. So
and it's knit, yeah. So it's kind of
for the winter.
It's a little bit more dressy. Yeah, and I love the colors together. It's very cute.
Next up is a floral maxi dress with long sleeves. I feel like this is like a staple for fall because it's like an easy layering piece.
It's from H&M.
It's from H&M. Yeah. Love long sleeve floral dresses because you could just like layer it on with like
all the shackets,
all the
boots,
tall boots.
Yeah,
it's just perfect.
Yes. And you all know I love a good long shirt. So I have this in pretty much like in every silhouette in the white.
And like color.
Yeah, so I got it in the blue striped. I feel like this you can wear with like all the tall boots, you know, and maybe even wear it on top of like a slip dress.
Or even like
use it as a layering.
Or even like a sweater vest. Those are really in right now.
Yeah.
That would look really good with that.
I agree. Zara, by the way. Zara.
So I gravitated towards this knit sweater because of this really pretty blue color. What is this blue called?
Periwinkle?
Yeah, periwinkle. It's like a very soft, like powdery blue.
Yeah.
And I just feel like it would look great with like jeans. I wear a lot of jeans in the fall, winter. So, and then also I could just like layer this on over like shirts. Even that shirt that you have,
yeah,
you just showed, that would look great layered on top of this sweater.
Yes. And then last but not least, we have two pieces.
They're both from Zara. I basically got this as an outfit because I think they would look great together.
Yeah.
And it's so like, it just screams
pilgrimage,
Thanksgiving. How cute is this outfit?
So cute.
It has like this really beautiful neckline. These like layered collars, and I love this color as well. It's like an oatmeal color.
Love it. And then this skirt is a very nice silhouette, and I love that it like is just almost like on top of my ankle. Well, for me, because I'm a short child. This is a really good color too.
It's like a nice like camel colored A-line skirt.
Yeah. Is that all? That's it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so that is it for today. We hope you enjoyed our collective haul.
Yes.
These are some of the things that we're loving.
Yeah, we're obsessed with every single piece. And if you guys are interested in any of it, we'll try our best to link everything down below. Whatever's available, we'll definitely leave links for you guys so you guys can shop it as well.
And make sure if you want to see how we further style these pieces or have fun with them, be sure to follow us on Instagram because that is where we share all of our fashionable photos, honey.
Yes. And again, if you're new here, subscribe before you leave so that you don't miss any of our future videos.
Yes. Yes. So anyway, bye guys.
Bye guys. Thanks so much for watching.